this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited. My BOXYCHARM pop-up order is here. Your girl went a little bit crazy. I jokingly texted Joy and Jackie the picture of my order that I went back for, saying, guys, look, I was very calm during BOXYCHARM pop-up. And then I said, psych, JK, JK, I went crazy. And they said, girl, we went crazy too. We're not alone. We're also gonna be enrolling into Makeup AA, but BOXY Pop-Up gets me every single time because the deals are just so good to pass up. Some of these products are actually rebuys for me because of how expensive they go for. Once I use it up, I probably won't buy it again. But luckily it has popped up and pop-up. Get it? Popped up and pop-up. Moving on. And that's why my order is a little bit larger than usual. I will leave my BOXYCHARM playlist to watch BOXYCHARM unboxings and previous pop-up hauls. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get hauling. Every time pop-up has Elemis in it, I need it all. And this time around they had one of my favorite products by Elemis. It is the Elemis Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. This is Elemis's sleep mask and it is amazing. I know I talk and rave about Watermelon Sleep Mask by Glow Recipe, but this is Watermelon Sleep Mask on steroids. It's double the price for the same amount of product, but this is just bougie feeling, and it's probably psychology, but I feel like my face just feels amazing, renewed the next morning when I use this mask. I try to rotate this and watermelon in and out. This bad boy usually retails for around $60 at Ulta, and I think for pop-up this was about $15, which I could not beat that price. I saw that, I was like, yes. I almost bought like 5, and I was like, girl, chill out. 1 will be enough for you. So I left it at 1. Another rebuy is the Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. I love their night cream. It is one of my favorite night creams that I have ever used. Between this and the Fresh one, I haven't found a better night cream. It's been a while since I've actually used a certain cream for the morning and one for at night. I have just been using one that you can use both morning and night. It's also anti-aging, which I need. Your girl is approaching mature skin. I need everything I can get to help prevent wrinkles and sagginess. This is normally a $130 cream, I believe, and to get it for $30, which is $100 less, is such a good deal. I was super stoked for this product. It wasn't as on sale as I would have liked it to be, but I still had to get one. It's the Meerut Hydration Night Fix Enzyme Treatment. This is like a primer for moisturizers. It helps really absorb and lock in your moisturizer, especially if you're using a really nice night cream. Your face is going to be the smoothest, most hydrated face. I have made the mistake using this in the morning, and it has made my face secrete more oil throughout the day, but it's good for the winter at least when your face is struggling to retain moisture. I have noticed a difference if I don't use this product, how my face feels and looks. It definitely doesn't look nearly as plump. It's been a little bit since I've actually had this. I actually ran out of some months ago, and it's about $80 for one tube at Ulta. I got it for about half the price in pop-up. I think that was the most priciest item that I got, but it's just been a product that I really love. Meerut's purple line is my favorite. All those products have worked out for me super nice, and I actually picked up a second product from the purple line that I've not used yet. It's their Revital Elixir Recovery Serum for face and eyes. It's supposed to visibly reduce stress-induced dullness, dehydration, lines and wrinkles, and puffiness. I know I induce a lot of stress to myself and it shows in my skin. I really wanted to give this a shot. It has been on my radar for so long because it is about $90-ish. I've talked time and time again. For me, it's very difficult to find a good serum, one that's actually doing something for my skin and noticing results. An Elemis product that I have not tried yet, got another serum. So if this doesn't work out, I have the Elemis one. This is the Pro-Collagen Quartz Lip Serum. It's an anti-wrinkle serum for fine lines and wrinkles. It's supposed to firm, smooth, and hydrate. So essentially they're both supposed to be doing the same thing, and they're both anti-aging. We're gonna do the battle of Elemis and Meerut. We can do one side Meerut, one side Elemis. I think I have a phobia of wrinkles because I also got the Kate Somerville Dermal Quench Liquid Lift Advanced Hydration Treatment. It's anti-aging as well. Oh, I have been fascinated by these because like what? Like it's an aerosol, you just your face. Whoa. that is cool. I really like that. It had a really good spray radius and it has a really misty feeling to it. I'm content with it just based off how entertaining it is to put on your face. Probably not the best reason to buy a product, but hey. And then lastly for skincare, I got the Tulip Pro-Glycolic Resurfacing Toner. Tula skincare has been hit or miss for me. And I only say miss because I tried one of their eye creams that went on sale 21 Days of Beauty some time ago, and the eye cream had a very rich set to it and it irritated my eyes so bad that I took it back immediately. My eyes were really runny and red. I love their exfoliator, really good. Catherine said their foaming cleanser is pretty good as well. I personally haven't tried it. I just told her to be cautious because some of their products have scents in it and told her about my experience. I'm a little nervous because this is a resurfacing toner, so I probably won't be able to use this every single day. Oh, it comes in a pump. It says gel, but it's a toner. I thought toners were just liquid. Now it says use daily AM and PM. I thought it was gonna be something I would have to build up tolerance to if it's resurfacing. A lot of resurfacing products for me, I get very sensitive with, and it's just something that I use maybe once or twice a week. And then of course, I had to pick up some giveaway items. I picked up the Violet Voss Best Lives Volumes 1 and 2. These are what the color stories look like on the back. They are super gorgeous. And they also come with a row of glitters. I love Violet Voss's formula so much, and I'm really excited for you guys to have some Violet Voss in your collections. Not that I need brushes, but I couldn't resist this little brush set. This is by Royal Langnickel. It's a 9-piece brush set. Ooh, it comes in this nice case. So we have a small shader brush. Ooh, this brush feels nice and dense. I like how it says small shader. It's definitely like a big shader brush for your eyelid. And then we got a contour brush. I would probably use this for more bronzing. This nice powder brush to either set your face, even for blush, I think this would be good for. Yes, a nice, beautiful crease brush. It says smudger. This is a little bit too much smudging for me, but good for inner corners. And then we have a mini flat smudger. This is something more realistic that I would use for my lower lash line. A brow brush or for eyeliner. And then this is a foundation brush. I normally use these either to apply foundation on the face or to rub in my primers. Lastly, I picked up 4 Hank & Henry palettes. Hank & Henry is a brand I just want a little bit more from, and I like the palette that we got in our BOXYCHARM, how it's swatched. I still haven't used it on my eyes yet. Probably should have tried it before buy more of their palettes, but look at this cool color story. I guess the black shadow is slightly cracked because yeah, it's about to make a mess up in here. It's a beautiful matte black though. And this palette is called Las Hermanas. And then we got the Fuego palette. I love this. That green is stunning. Spring Fling. Ooh, this is a nice pastel palette for the spring. Spring Fling. I get it. And then Sweet Tooth. I have been wanting a palette like this. I know I have Morphe 35i, but I really want the Nomad Harajuku palette so bad. I guess we could swatch each palette if you would like to see. I seen Sugar Mint Tea. Ooh, mint tea. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm obsessed with that shade. Jelly Bean Butter Her Cup. Giggity. Cupayak. Ooh, that yellow. Ooh, it's hard to find a good yellow. I'm not the biggest fan of the shade yellow, but that is beautiful. But sometimes a look does call for the shade yellow. This is the one I'll be reaching for. Hard Candy Blueberries Purple. And this is the Sweet Tooth palette swatched. Spring Fling. Soledo Sandy Beach Las Palmas. Ooh, Las Palmas. That's like the most beautiful aqua shade I have ever swatched. I'm obsessed with a few of these shades. They are really smooth and creamy. Daisy Dukes Senor Mayo Spring Fling. Oh no, I really hope Senor Mayo can be built up. Let's go one more time. So that's with 2 coats. Birds and Bees Popsicle Fest Evil. And this is the Spring Fling palette swatched. I'm glad I decided to do swatches. These are really beautiful palettes. Fuego, Fuego. Fuego Blazing Soul. Phoenix Caliente Jalapeno. Like how these 2 are mattes and then you get the 2 shimmers. Ignatius Inferno Diabloto. And this is the Fuego palette swatched. Lastly, Las Hermanas. Ride or die, every day, bestie. Ooh, that glitter ride or die is absolutely stunning. I am not one for glitters, but I can get down with that one. Hank and Henry really likes to put green shades in their palettes. Las Hermanas Endgame Sissy. My arm is getting tired after swatching almost 36 shades. It's definitely a workout. I Got You, Thick as Blood, baby. Ooh, thick as blood. Look at that blue. Yes. And this is the Las Hermanas palette swatched. I would love to know if you guys shopped Boxy Pop-Up. Did we get any of the same items? Different items? How did everything work out for you? Was there anything that you wanted but couldn't get? I felt like a lot of items sold out fairly quickly. I know I had a few in my cart, and when I went to checkout, it said, sorry, these items are no longer available. Let me know if you guys got BOXYCHARM base or premium for May, and what products you got in them. How did everything work out for you? And are you guys looking forward to BOXYCHARM in June? June is a Luxe month. I hope it's a good one. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.